This is my first official pedal commander unit. That's rad. Awesome. I'm gonna geek out on this. This happens to be for my Dodge. It's under warranty, that's why I bought it. So this thing does not void the warranty and it allows me to play with the truck. That thing's super sluggish. It's an HO, so it's 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. That's what it's rated at. And I can't wait to try this thing out, hook it up, and be able to really be in control of how that thing launches and hopefully get rid of that lag that that thing has for some reason. So I'm gonna leave it off and just like give it a rip, and just so we know, like, hey, see what it'll do. This is floored, and then it kicks in, but it's super annoying and laggy.
All right, so let's go full power first.
Max. Sick. Awesome, man. Hell yeah. What I really like is like that initial, like we're at a standstill, and it's just like, like it would not do that before. Sick. Hell yeah. That initial kick is exactly what this thing needed. I'm gonna drive this a little more because we got a few more minutes, so why not? Ooh. Oh, hell yeah. So it's not bad hitting 60 right here in my tow truck. We hit like about 80 in my Pro 1 Formula D car on this straightaway. So 20 miles slower in something that weighs like at least 3,000, 4,000 pounds more. I am not complaining. Hell yeah. Truck definitely needs it. World of a difference. It is a lot more peppy because we just put it in the most extreme mode. So it, like around the parking lot pulling up here, I'm gonna have to like train my foot, be like, hey, it's not laggy. You actually have to like, kind of like a race car, it responds. So stoked. Thank you guys so much.